Most people have rights they don't know they have. When you're in an accident, the insurance companies are looking to lowball you, to settle cheaply, to get rid of your case, and basically to cheat you. You need a lawyer because our lawyers especially, know the law, we know what you're entitled to, and we're not going to let the insurance companies take advantage of you. It's important to choose an expert in New York because New York's laws are confusing, archaic, and if you don't file something on time, for example, you could lose your legal rights. A lot of laws in New York have timelines that most people wouldn't understand and don't think are rational. For example, if you get hurt in a car accident, you have to file an application for benefits within 30 days, and if you don't, you may not be entitled to medical coverage or lost wages. If you get hurt by a municipality, like a bus, for example, or in a subway, if you get hurt, if you slip and fall in a subway because of ice, you have to file a notice of claim within 90 days. And if you don't do it, you have to then go to court to get special permission to be able to file a lawsuit. So New York has a lot of archaic laws, strict timelines, and if you just sit on your hands and you don't call a lawyer right away, you may blow a timeline and not even know it. Trying to handle a legal case without a lawyer or a lawsuit without a lawyer is like trying to perform surgery on yourself. It's not a good idea. So trying to handle a case yourself, even if you're intelligent, you're not necessarily educated in the processes and how things are supposed to be filed and how things are supposed to be done. And a lot of times a small error can cause a very bad result. And you can lose your case, not because you're wrong, but because you just didn't do it right. I think everyone needs a lawyer if you've been injured in an accident because the insurance companies are never going to treat you fairly. If you've been injured in a medical malpractice case, the hospitals and doctors are never going to admit they did anything wrong until they're forced to do so. And most people just don't have the ability to do that. You really need an expert on your side.